Introducing the all-new redesigned Revo 2.0 scooter with CTS suspension. Boasting a 400-pound weight capacity, the Revo 2.0 serves as an in-between option of the mid-size Victory Series and the Go-Go Travel Series. When you receive the Revo 2.0 box, it will contain 9 pieces. 20 wide by 18 deep seat with standard underseat storage already attached, right and left armrests, the charger, the owner's packet, which will contain the keys, 2 individual U1 battery boxes, large basket, and front and rear halves of the Revo 2.0 already assembled. Start by placing the battery boxes on the scooter in the right numerical order as they are numbered. Open the underseat storage and place the seat on the seat post, and then close the storage bins. Set the desired width of the arms by using the included D10 pin, and then tighten down the thumb screws. Place the key in the key switch and turn on to test and make sure the Revo 2.0 works properly. It has an ambient light battery meter that dims in the dark and gets brighter with the light. The Revo 2.0 with CTS suspension has 2 vibrant color shroud options: True Blue and Gray Street. It has many standard features, such as the Delta wraparound tiller, allowing the user the ability to drive one-handed forward and backwards. The Revo 2.0 has LED headlights, an LED puddle light for the floorboards and shroud, and LED rear running lights that illuminates the Revo 2.0 as it's driving. The Revo 2.0 has a performance drive mode and an eco drive mode switch, allowing the user to drive up to 5 miles per hour and switch to 4 miles per hour for prolonged battery range. Under the horn location in the front of the console, the Revo 2.0 has standard USB charging ports for a cell phone or tablet. It also has dual XLR charging ports, one on the side of the console and the other on the battery box for convenient off-unit charging. In order to charge the batteries off the scooter, they must be connected together to create a series circuit. There are no additional accessories needed to do this. The Revo 2.0 has a standard large front basket located on the adjustable articulating tiller. The Revo 2.0 has a 20 wide by 18 deep seat with underseat storage already installed standard. The Revo 2.0 has U1 35 amp hour batteries standard in battery boxes for easy, convenient removal for off-unit charging. Our patented one-handed disassembly allows the Revo 2.0 to disassemble into 6 manageable pieces. With its new enhanced features and sleek looks, the Revo 2.0 certainly will not disappoint. Thank you for choosing Pride Mobility for all your mobility needs.